Over 6,000 LGBTQA+ young people from all over Australia have shared with us their experiences of everyday life. They told us about their health, their time at school, TAFE and uni, and about their relationships with family and community. We shared what the young people in the study told us with our Youth Advisory Committee, and this is what they had to say.
When you're a member of the community, you are constantly connected and talking to people who are going through these things. It's hard to look at any of the data without just putting a name to it and putting a face to it.
It's not surprising because it's something that you live through every day, and other people, part of the community, will live through every day.
Something really does need to change. The discrimination and harassment on one end, that needs to stop and needs to change in people's attitudes.
It's so easy to overlook so many tiny things that are these constant cultural barriers to feeling safe and protected.
The services need to change. So when people are in crisis, they actually have somewhere to land. Gendering people correctly, using the correct name and pronouns, gender affirmation pathways, connecting to community, connecting to role models, connecting to friends, having support groups that are LGBTQA+. We need to start looking at these things as suicide prevention. LGBTQA+ people are super diverse. The needs of trans and gender-diverse people, for instance, will look different to cisgender queer people. That if you're working or living in a remote or regional community, that those experiences are going to look different to people who live in inner cities. It's just really important to remember that this is not the experience of every single LGBTI young person, and that actually the things that can be really helpful in preventing these kinds of things in around mental health and suicidal ideation are things like supportive family and friends and supportive community, and that we each have a role to play in that. If we have we challenge discrimination, we challenge harassment, and actually provide those spaces of safety, that these statistics don't have to be this bad. All queer young people deserve to feel loved, supported, and absolutely celebrated for being who they are.